obviously, thanks so much for your time for jumping on with us today. How was things
no
in the gym,
problem.
mate? You all good? You training hard?
Yeah, I'm training hard. I'm just staying ready until this next fight gets announced, and I'm ready to take that British title.
Are we going to be getting an announcement very soon? Maybe next week, is it? Is that right?
I just gotta wait and see, but yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Something like
that. What's the situation with the gyms, mate? I know you allowed to train, obviously, in England, and there's a lockdown. You allowed to train because you're professional.
Yep. No, it's just everything's the same, really. It's just because I'm like through being a professional and stuff that we can train, and obviously the amateurs and all that can, but there's only 3 or 4 of us in the gym, and we're just we're really all in the same bubble anyway.
Yeah, mate.
That's what it's like because we're with each other day in day out anyhow. So
you mentioned there, mate. Obviously we're waiting to get fight news and a date announced. We're thinking it maybe be December time. I mean, what's the situation with Lerone Richards at the moment, mate? Has he vacated that we know of, or no, not yet?
As we know of, he isn't vacated, is he? So I think I'll be fighting him. So yeah. To be honest with you, if he vacates or he don't vacate, I couldn't care less. The next one can have it. It's the same. The same job's going to happen to either him or the next man anyhow. So to me, it's like I'm in this gym, I'm training hard, and if it's him or another fellow who's going to get it, then it doesn't really make a difference to me.
Yeah, that's what we were going to ask, mate. Would you prefer to fight Lerone, or would you prefer to fight for a vacant title, or is it just about getting the belt that matters?
Anybody who wants it and next in line for the British title can have it. Any one of them. So I'm just training for a fight when that date's made, and I couldn't care less who it is on the day.
I mean, Lerone has sort of made no secret of, despite you being mandatory and having that mandatory status, that he's looking to go like down the WBC route. I mean, can you blame him, mate? Do you think maybe it's avoiding you slightly? What's your thoughts on it?
I wouldn't want to fight me, so I don't blame him at all. You know what I mean? I don't blame him at all, but listen, this is a fighting game, and if you're not wanting to fight someone now, then what's he going to do when I hope he goes on and wins the world title, me. I'm not wishing anything bad against him. I hope he wins it, because if he wins it, I know I can beat him up. Yeah. So I hope he goes on and does unbelievable, and fair play to him, let him do what he's needing to do. But you got to fight whoever gets put in front of you, and it's as simple as that. You know what I mean? This boxing, there's no good being in this game, and no, I'm ready to fight everyone and anyone.
If you when you win the British title, are you going to be looking to obviously defend it 3 times? I mean, against the likes of you got Zach Parker, Lennox Clark, Zach Cherry.
Once I've got that there British title, then we'll see from then. Do you know what I mean? Only thing I've got in my head is this fight, my next fight, I'm winning it. And then once I've won it, then I can see what I'm going to do. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's all about winning it just now.
Yeah, definitely, mate. Now, I want to touch upon, obviously, the lads in the gym with you and, the legendary Ingle Gym, mate.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about, I mean, the Ingle Gym TV's been a massive success. It's given us a good insight into the gym. What's the vibes like there, mate? Is it a family feel every day?
Listen, we're all fighters, you know what I mean? And it's a good job we all got on. And it's good. In the gym, it's a very, very, when we all go in, we're all pals and whatever. But when it's time, when it comes down to it, we all know what we need to do, So it is fun and it's good, and we all get on, and it's a good laugh. You know what I mean? It's a good laugh, and all of us can fight.
We heard Shan mention obviously doing some of the Ingle TV. Again, the family vibe. Does it help when you're in the middle of like maybe a grueling camp that you've got you've got the boys to fall back onto?
Yeah, because listen, with the likes of me, when I'm in this house myself or whatever, when you walk in that gym, all you do is laugh anyhow. Because it's a laugh, we're all together, you know what I mean? It's a good laugh. And like the Ingle Gym TV Sham, he's the same. You know what I mean? He's doing unbelievable. He's with us day in, day out. He's like he is part of our team anyhow. And he's with us day in, day out. And he's a good laugh. Like, we're all a good laugh, you know what I mean?
Definitely, mate. I want to touch upon Liam Williams. Obviously, he's from our neck of the woods originally.
He's my Cray brother, isn't he? He's Reggie. No.
I was just going to ask you, mate, there's a bit of a bromance there between you two, I think, isn't it?
We're like the Cray brothers, isn't we? We're very, very good pals. We stayed together, didn't we, for about a year and a half, or 2 years. So
yeah,
we got on very, very well. When I first ever come to Ingle Gym, me and him got on very well. So yeah, it's good. We do get on very well.
Is it true when you first went to the Ingle Gym, he was like really looking after you? He was doing the cooking and just really taking care of you, mate?
It was me looking after him, man. He's telling everyone that it was me looking after him. No, he did. He was doing bits and bobs, and he was like my second mum, wasn't he? He was washing the dishes and washing me clothes, and you know what I mean. The only thing he was doing was reading me a bedtime story, wasn't he?
Obviously, Liam is quite is a very aggressive fighter, and he's quite serious and doesn't mince his words. Yeah. In the build to a fight. Does he have a Liverpool soft side though? That you can tell us about, Willie?
What do you mean?
Well, is he a laugh in the gym? Is his sort of personality different when you get not doing a build of a fight?
No, of course he is. He's hilarious. He's hilarious. He is. He's a laugh in the gym. He has his good and bad days. You know what I mean? When he has his bad day, I need to give him one of them to put him in line. But then he comes around very quick. No, he is. He's a good laugh. He's a good laugh.
Speaking of Liam, Willie, I mean, when is he going to get this deserved world title shot, mate? It seems like he's waiting forever for it.
He needs his next fight. He needs to. I believe in the next few months it'll happen. You know what I mean? His next fight will be for the world title. So he's got it all in front of him now. You know what I mean? He's done the hard work. He's been consistent. He's trained, man. I've been with him, man. I've been with him from the first fight with Dom. I've seen what he's done. I've sparred with him. You know what I mean? It's his time to shine. This is the time he's going to become world champion.
Yeah.
This is when the doors are open for him.
Do you think Demetrius Andrade is fully aware of what's lying in front of him, a hungry challenger?
Listen, if he fights that fella, it won't go past 6 rounds. Liam will knock him out 100,000,000,000%.
Yeah.
I don't believe he will. I think Liam will kill him.
Definitely.
Yeah. Liam just too good for him on all levels, mate. Yeah.
Just all levels. If he tries fighting Liam, he'll get knocked out. If he tries outboxing Liam, will still end up knocking him out. Liam's just too good for him. It's as simple as that. You know what I mean?
I agree, mate. I agree.
He's too good for him in every aspect. He can try whatever he wants to try. The thing is, the fight will be in America, but I don't believe it will go the distance anyhow, so it doesn't really make a difference. And when he goes, he's going to make sure it doesn't go the distance. You don't want to give him any chance at all.
No, mate.
Yeah, I think Liam's style as well is just all wrong for him. I think that constant pressure that Liam puts on you, he's on your toes, isn't he, from the first second. I think I think that'll cause Andre big problems, mate.
Yeah, I do as well.
We've got to touch upon, mate, the man himself, Dom Ingle, the bodybuilder, the musician, the chef. How good is he in the kitchen, mate? I saw him making you some lovely meals.
He's the man, isn't he? He's the man. He looks after me, he takes care of me, Dom does. His food's unbelievable. I can't explain the healthy food to taste how it tastes, or how he cooks it. It's unbelievable. He's the man, isn't he?
Yeah. Who does he give the bigger portions to, Will?
Number one, me. He looks after me. I need the bigger portions, don't I? I'm bigger than everyone else, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know when you have things like that there?
Yeah, need plenty of chicken then, mate, don't you?
Plenty of chicken.
What about his music? I mean, he's a bit of a musician as well. Would you ever allow him to play you into the ring, Willie?
You know what it is? This is the truth, you know. I've told him in my next fight I'll have one of his songs.
Great stuff.
Wait and see. I'll wait and see, but I'll be having one of his songs for my next fight.
That'd be fantastic, mate.
And if it isn't this one, it'll be once I'm British champion.
Yeah, definitely, mate. Yeah. I got to ask as well, while we're on the subject of your stablemates, obviously Kid Galahad and Robbie Davis Jr. as well.
Yeah.
So, what's regards with them? Are they looking to be out this year? Do you think it's going to be early next year now, looking likely, mate?
I don't really know, to be honest with you. I don't really know when they're going to be boxing or not. We're still waiting and seeing, you know what I mean? I don't actually know. I just know I'm the next one fighting. Yeah,
we can't wait to see you back in there, mate. Definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, Willie, on behalf of me and Kieran today and Southwest Boxing Media, thanks so much for your time, and we'll
no problem.
We'll really look forward to hearing about the next fight.
The British champ, baby.
You're looking at him there, mate.
You'll have to jump back on, Will, when you got the belt.
I will, 100%. We'll do it. Right, perfect.
Cheers, Willie.
Thank you very much.
Nice one, mate.
Cheers, mate.